let me tell you a story. When I arrived at the front and asked the general how I could help, his answer really surprised me. He said he needed a 3D printer. What for? I asked him. To print a couple of spare parts so the drone can fly better. Ordinary drones, which were used to shoot nature before, now have become tools for protection. Here is an ordinary drone called Minion. It's a war weapon. It came from the Donetsk region. Minion made 11 missions, 9 of which were successful. This drone reminds me that technology combined with Ukrainian bravery can do incredible things